Angel Awotariga and the boat driver. I bring this matter because I don't hear different, in fact, side of story self na understatement. Everybody gain your own story. If you ask this one, they go tell you this one is at fault. If you ask the other one, they go tell you that one is at fault. In fact, I don't want to hear anybody opinion. Okay, when I feel drop an opinion, but I bring her out because I personally I want to narrate this whole matter for una way never understand them, and for una way no know Angel Awotariga na Big Brother Naija member that year. According to matter wey reach me, my people, they say Angel. I don't even know how man they even answer Angel. I don't know Shabo, it's fine. They say the guy order for boat. Ungwanuna, as the boat come, according I dey narrate the driver at the side because all the things where Angel they talk. In fact, that one I don't even want to look inside. Already you not supposed to know how my matter they be. The driver tell us say this guy order boat. Bam. As he order the boat now, this guy come. He say no, wait small. The driver even wait for like 20 minutes before he come out. Oh, so start the note and down. Before he come out, 20 minutes. When he finally come out, they tell the driver say, my girlfriend too is coming. Oh, so instead of you waiting, Joe, why don't you go and turn? Oh yeah, driver go turn. He still come back. They wait. When the girlfriend come, now him and the girlfriend they inside boat. You know how the car be. You know be all those big cars. Oh. He can't tell the driver. Also, you know, we are going to what did they call that place? VGC. They go pick 2 people for VGC. After that one, he said they go Lekki, go pick another 1 person. 5 people inside boat. So driver come tell us say, bros, this one no be waiting me and you discuss. You for put them for the this thing as you the order for the team, so that they go no say now here we they go. You tell me you specify 1 place. You say na Jegule we they go. Now you can't turn to 3 places. My people na so wahala come boss. This guy come they tell the driver say I no go pay you since you no carry me where they go. But now the only thing all of una they do, una just side Angel. Una hear Angel own part of the story. Hoodlums, I enter boat. The boat went to park in 1 place, and the hoodlum he called people. They beat me up. What did he do that they beat him up? Now why I say because when the Angel come out first, I say no. I must first listen to both sides. I'll wait until the driver himself come out, come confirm the whole matter. So I want make una pay good attention because we now go watch Angel part and we now go watch the driver part. I beg join me, make we watch the video.
I've just been assaulted by a boat driver and his minions. He refused to take me to my location. He took me to a very dangerous place, stopped me. I refused to pay him for doing that, and he called his people and they attacked me. Look at where they beat me. They cut my body, they tore my shirt, they practically stripped me naked. In fact, right now I'm hiding out in a bathroom so I do not get killed. Yes, I have a mop stick for protection. Hiding out somewhere and they're still looking for me. People are trying to settle it, but these hoodlums hired by boats are bent on killing me, and I will defend myself. So if anything happens to me, everybody should know Bolt did this, and Bolt, when I survive this, I'm coming for you.
I picked a guy from a Nero hotel at Shangotedo. So unfortunately on the app it showed that he's going to Ajegunle, and by the time I get to his place to pick him, I press arrive. Even though he come out to come and meet me when I tell him that I'm here. So when he's out, I have to spend like more than 20 minutes. He say one of our girlfriend is coming out. They are going together. So picking him up, we are going on our way going. When I get to Abamade Soya, this guy now told me that you need to pick 2 people at VGC. From there, we'll pick 1 person at Lekki phase 1. And I say, you are 2 already inside the car. So picking 2 people inside VGC, that is for with other person in Lekki, that is fine. I can't put 5 in my car. This car is too portable for that. I don't do it because it's not too long when I get the car. So you can, even though both will not accept that. That instead of that, maybe I should just stop you at VGC and let me end the trip. You pay me. Next thing, this guy just tell me from back, hey guy, if you end this trip, I'm going to think to fuck up. I'm from Delta State. This and this that. I said, guy, go. I know they fight you. See, waiting no favor person. I don't go. So I decide not to go. And when I get to Aja, after the bridge, I park there where people are plenty. When I know that you can't do many things. When I park there, this guy told me that, okay, I park. I should end the trip. And I end it. The trip show 19. So he said, your papa, do you want to collect money from me? If you near me, I will kill you. I said, if you not pay me, it's no problem. Oh, I will report you. It's okay, report me. And he said he's going to sue both. I said, that one is no issue. Before I know, this guy locked me. He locked me up. This is the cloth I wear before.
Stop it.
Look at all my cloth is there. Look at blood on it. So he started beating me on the steering. So I found a way to come down. When I get down, one man saw me. The man meets me that, guy, what happened? Why are you fighting this guy? What happened? He said, me, I did not take it to where he's going. And I explained to the man. The man said, it's not my fault. If it's not going, give him his money and he should go. Why are you not beating me on the steering? He come and meet me again. Just give me blow on my nose. Look at, since morning, my nose is still bleeding. So next thing, this guy removed his cloth. He started fighting people. People that say, why do you do this? He started fighting them. So and I left there. That is what I know.
No. I just say me no for now no fit talk again. Now why good to listen to both sides of the story before you conclude, before you go and kill somebody by mistake. Mr. Angel. You dey for Lagos, you dey form worry guy, worry bad. Now water don't pass Gary now, you don't enter shop toilet, go hide. No, remain there. Very soon we go even bring pillow and bed so that you go enjoy yourself. When una dey listen to Angel explanation, Angel tell una say he dey with him girlfriend. No. Angel no even mention to us say there be 5 people. He just tell us he ordered for boat. As they were on their way, the driver parked somewhere, started fighting him. He called other people, they started beating him. Now the only thing where Angel talk. So how come Angel no give us the real, you understand? The real in total of the matter. If you know say you dey watch me, you like dey take side because this one was in Big Brother house. Continue. Now the kind life now where we dey live, nobody want see. I don't know wetin to talk again. I am tired. Yes, I'm tired. Small celebrity thing una go hear, una eye go dey spark, una ear go dey spark, una no go even relax say, oh, this driver, what wetin warrant this one? Ask questions. No just come outside, they select, they choose parts, they do this one. This Angel guy, many of una don't know. This guy, no be even the one with me myself, I don't notice. People even they talk am. He get pride. He is rude. And the person even tell me say to they behave like Agbero, like person we don't craze finish. That kind, you understand? But they carry shoulder, like say he big past everybody, they are above everybody. From the one where I noticed this thing, I said, this guy go too like trouble. How bad? 5 people inside boat, bros. Boat na school bus. When you they carry this one from Ajegunle, you enter VGC. From VGC, you say make you carry you go Lekki. From no. Now because of people like this one, they do Molwe. Sorry, I forget say my other people they watch. Molwe na tro boss. Now because of this one, you know say they carry up to 5-6 people. You know say you for just hire a boss. Tro. Just hire one tro so that all of una go just be comfortable inside. No come here they disturb person's business. I don't understand. You dey form, you dey feel yourself. Yeah, breathing my food. No be only celebrity. Small title now we una get. Abeg see, make una learn to dey select celebrities. Small shine wey person go shine. He's my mentor. He's my role model. Even if na 5 minutes wey person just show for television, bam. He's my this one. Make una stop that nonsense. Stop that nonsense, because that thing I don see say e don too dey enter people head. Like this one. Na only God know the kind things wey this guy don do. No, I just dey imagine the journey. I dey imagine the exchange of words. I dey imagine everything. Upon the celeb wey you be, why you no go buy your own car? No, why you no dey drive your own car? So that you go park like 10. If you like, say park 20. Inside this corona period, na see one jam like sardine. Abeg, nobody is more than anybody. If you like, no, I dey very serious. Nobody is more than anybody. Stop dey look down on people. The only difference is say some people are privileged to have and to be in some places. You know me say one human being. No. We are all equal in the eyes of God. So abeg, you know how many people wey get mansions, they get cars. Still, if you see them for road, you go dey wonder, now this one get this house. Be humble. You don't know where your helper dey. Be humble. Even as a celebrity, be humble. Because you don't know who go help you. Tomorrow, this same boat driver fit save this guy from something. The moment una start dey take life like this, e go help una. Just dey have am for your mind. This person, he might not have car. He might not have 10,000 houses. He might not have even 1,000 in his account, but he can save you through wisdom and strength. If you dey waka, you fit watch your back. Na person wey dey your back go dey tell you, no, there's something here, there's something here. You can't know everything. Abeg, make we learn to humble ourselves, biko, and stop to dey pour your frustration on people. I no dey like that thing. If Big Brother Naija wey you do no pay you, my brother, invest into another thing. Which one go concern us? You go hide inside toilet. You never start. A boat. If I get out of this, I'm coming for you. Who are you coming for? You don't go for your money finish. Make money. Stop coming outside, they tell us. No, my people, see, I want make una just think about this whole thing first. This driver no fit just go park for no reason. For no reason. Because the driver even talk am. Time to pay money, this guy refused to pay. Because the driver no agree to carry am to the 3 places where he talk. And people just don't like the place smart on other people. Anyhow, and people, now see how my voice don't low because I don't tire for these people matter. Now the matter be this. I still want to know whether you get doubt. Say Angel is still right. I want to know. I want to know whether you still feel say Angel is right or the driver is right. Who do you think is saying the truth? Me, as for my own, I've dropped my own. I still want to read your own. So drop off for that comment section. And make sure say you share this video because this matter don't tire me. Everybody just they bring their own definition and their own this thing. I bet share them so that they go know say driver don't come outside, can't talk in your own side of the story. Very, very important. And make sure say you click on that notification bell too so that you don't go miss anything where I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.